Did you know a single flood in ancient China sparked one of history's most remarkable agricultural revolutions? Watch this. In 1127 CE, the mighty Yangtze River unleashed devastating floods, drowning entire villages and destroying countless rice paddies. Archaeological discoveries reveal submerged farming tools and settlements, showing just how catastrophic this disaster was. But the Chinese didn't give up. Instead, they completely transformed their farming methods, creating innovative, flood-resistant agriculture systems that would protect their crops for generations to come. These changes revolutionized the entire region's economy,